Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Wabatul and today I'm here with another amazing and very good topic, which is a particle model. So we are just covering today all about physics, so it's very important. Physics. So let's get started. First, when you go towards the particle model theory, you would just need to learn this concept that material, the things, can just exist into three states: the solid, the liquid, and the gas, and they are different by their properties. First of all, solid keeps their shape and they cannot be flow, but they cannot be compressed as well, and they can be compressed, but it's very difficult to compress. Now liquid keep their shape, but liquid keep their volume but not their shape, and they cannot be flow. They can be flow, and they can take the shape of the container, and same case with here, it is very difficult to compress. Now gases change their shape and volume. They can spread out in all the directions, and they are very easy to compress because the particles are very far away. Now let us just go through the diffusion. In diffusion, gases and liquid mix without anything moving with them because the particles are moving all the time. This is a very good example of the diffusion. Here we add dry molecules here, and these are the water molecules. After diffusion, they are combining by, and after that it is a process in which they come equal. So hope you liked today's video. Allah Hafiz. Any questions, please comment below. Allah Hafiz.